This is a weather bulletin regarding the Nova Scotia wildfires. The National Weather Service has issued an alert for people on the northeast of the United States, as well as people in Canada, because of the haze that is basically smoke going around places throughout the near parts that have an unhealthy level. Residents must be inside of their home. Make sure you close your windows, close up ventilation from the outside, limit your activities or don't do activities at all, and basically turn off electronics if the power goes out, and even if the power is out. And if you have to get out and travel, bring a mask with you. Basically, this could cause a drought and potentially forest fires and power outages. People from the US and other countries are going to put out fires. We don't know how long this haze will last. I'm repeating, this is a warning about the wildfire situation in Nova Scotia, and please listen to what you heard. Limit your activities, or no activities at all. And if power goes out, make sure you turn off devices like air conditioning and heating units, and take out window fans, and turn stuff off even if the power is out. And if you have to travel, bring a mask. We will continue to stop the fires. God bless you.